We're going to Barry Electronics. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use this automatic ice cream machine. You see it's about 1 liter. Here is the diagram of the machine, and you look on the bar here, you get the information for everything you need to know. So I'm going to go ahead and open this and show you how to assemble it. So after removing the machine from the box, this is how everything looks. All you need to do is go ahead and remove it from the foam. Right here is your stand for your ice cream machine right here. All you have to do is seal this like this and go ahead and remove this from the plastic. Okay, as you can see, here is the machine and here is the stand. All you need to do now is do this. All right, see, very much easy to assemble. And if you want to go ahead and open this, to remove this, all you need to do is start from right here at the bottom. Go ahead and turn this like this. Right here, remove this. All you need to do is to push this button right here, push this like this out to the back and pull it. Okay, we'll remove this part. We've already removed this and this. Go ahead and twist it a little to open it, and here is the steering, and right here is the, so this is what we are going to go ahead and store in our refrigerator or freezer for about 12 hours or at least 8 hours. As you can see, if you shake this, you'll notice that whatsoever that is in here is liquid. So you are going to go ahead and put this into your refrigerator for about 12 or at least 8 hours for it to freeze. Okay, so now let's say here is the machine. We'll go ahead and do this. You can clean this, or if you want to assemble it, and go ahead and do it like this. So now, after putting this in your freezer for about 12 hours or 8 hours, and you are ready to make your ice cream, all you need to do is place this back in here like this, and take this right here. As you can see, here is the bottom and here is the top. So you do this like this and place it in here. Go ahead, take this. As you can see, it is open, and if you do it like this, it is closed. Open here, close. This is going at the bottom here, because you see our pan here have an opening at the bottom. This is where our ice cream will be pouring from. So yes, don't forget to close this like this. All you need to do is do it to open and like this to close. So after putting this, you turn this around, okay, and insert this part like this. All right, okay, and install this part. Make sure here is at the front. Okay, after installing it like this, now the next thing to do is to close here like this. Okay, and take this right here and put it right here like this. Okay, and make sure here is locked. So now, after putting everything together, now all you need to do is make sure you plug this into your power outlet. While it is your receptacle or your extension cord, plug this into a power outlet and put this on. Here is the on, here is the off. Put this on and start stirring. Then now you can enter your extreme mixture in here. That will be the last step. As soon as you enter here, it will start stirring it, and in 10 minutes or 15 minutes later, you notice that it has already made ice cream. So yes, that is how you use this portable homemade ice cream machine. You can use this to be producing ice cream at your business place or at home. So yes, contact us if you are interested in the ice cream maker. Before it finish, don't forget to like, comment,